Hi guys, today we're gonna color. This is a coloring video, and today we're gonna color with my friend Gavin. So,
friend.
oh yeah, that's my cousin Gavin. I forgot. And this is the book that we're gonna color right now because we also love K-pop Demon Hunters, guys. Like it and subscribe if you also love K-pop Demon Hunters. And these are the markers that we're gonna use. It has 48 colors, and it's super cool for coloring this book because don't sit there. This is the best coloring book because this is like so cool and even more realistic than ever. This is the first page that we colored on our firework. Para makita. So this is like our color in the other video the other day, and today we're gonna color this one. Okay, we're gonna color this one and this one because this is the best that I can do. So let's get right onto the video because I don't want you guys waiting, and let's use the markers. Let's go and right into the video. So today this is gonna be Gavin's side and this is gonna be my side, and then you guys will rate it up 1 to 10. So let's see which one who has the most votes. Let's go. Let's try to color. Okay, we're gonna show you our.
Give me a gray.
You just get the color. Okay, guys, these are the colors, and they're actually so cool. Look at that. This one, this one, this one. It's like so many colors. Today we're gonna be using it, and this is gonna be cool. Huwag na kukuha agad ng color. Okay, now first, Gavin will start off with Zoe, and me, I'll start off with Mira.
Hindi mo nakakalaran color yung damit ni Mira.
I know. So now, let's get right into the video. Let's go. Okay. Let's open it. Look at that. It's a reddish one.
This
We're gonna
is
color
gray.
it for Mira's hair.
I'm gonna color it for Zoe's hair.
Excuse me, ba't ka nandiyan sa side ko? Dito ka nga.
Marker kasi na dito eh.
Fine. I think that's too noisy, Gavin. You too. This one is noisy. Ikaw gumaganto. What's noisy?
Ate, hair ba to? Ate!
Hindi yan dun sa Zoe natin to kanina. Yes, this is her.
Hair yung bilog na yan.
Okay, let's still color on your side.
Tita, dali mo nga to. Marker.
He's too dramatic.
Ang dami mo ba ito sa
Okay. We're just getting started. And now for Mira's side, I'm just going to do this color. Please, ma'am. Pakita mo yung color. This is the color for Mira's skirt. That's for Zoe's top. Yes. Let's open it.
Ano to, ate?
Hindi mo lang.
Ha?
Kuluran mo.
Anong color to?
Kamay yan ni Zoe. Dahil hindi mo na yung koloran eh. Kasi hindi mo alam kung saan mo kukulayan eh.
Kulay-kulay lang to ng ano.
Fine. continue coloring. Okay, we're done now. It's time for
Bako tapos.
Oh, okay lang. Today, let's go for Mira's gloves, and this is gonna be color gray because we don't have black on these 48 colors. So, let's go. Let's color in. Gawin, pakita mo din yung color, tsaka saan mo din kukoloran mo yun. Okay.
I have the 2 colors I need.
Oh. Saan mo lalagay? He's gonna go into Zoe's pants. Ba't sinabi mo Zoe's pants?
Zoe's pants.
Told you. And now let's do like a little lighter gray for Mira's shoes. You made me lose my shit. Okay, Gavin, one people said that we need to like make a challenge that make K-pop Demon Hunters kung anong gusto nating kulay. Gawin natin yun mamaya sa next page. You want to? Yung kung anong gusto natin.
to.
Just wait.
Zoe's mouth.
Okay.
Time for Zoe's mouth.
Say the color. It's red. Okay, now we're done.
Premiere.
Okay, now we're done with Mira. It's time for Mira's skin. This is gonna be for Mira's skin. Look at that color. It's so cool, right? I done with some peach. Just wait. Mamaya na yung peach. He is too late, like dramatic.
Ate, ano to? Ano to, ate?
That's Zoe's pants.
Ano?
Wait, I'm done. Almost done. So, makita ko muna yung color natin sa mga videos. Okay, guys. This is the progression. This is Gavin's. This is mine. I know we made just a little bit of progress. So, later in the video, this will be good. It will be very sick. So, watch it like. Okay, now we're done with Mira. It's time to move on. Ay, wait. Pera muna. Saglit.
Okay.
Konti lang to. Hand. This is gonna be for Rumi's top. The yellow. It's yellow. I mean the Rumi's jacket. Yung kamay mo. Yeah. Never mind. Never mind. Let's just do this.
time for Mira.
No, it just me. Hi, 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 hi. Gabby, the markers. Get the markers. You're just like doing nothing there.
Mauna ka pa sa akin eh.
Let's add a little bit of highlight because it's cool. Gabi, wala nang ano eh. Kaya ginawa ko na lang yung
Okay lang yan. Sabihin mo lang sa mga followers natin na walang yellow na ink.
Okay guys, this is gonna be for Ruby Skin.
Baka lumabas sila ni Mikey.
May kabayaan sila. Papakita ko lang muna yung kinulungan. Okay guys, so this is mine. And I'm sorry for Rumi's jacket because there is no more yellow, so we cannot like, and there's no yellow color, it's out of ink, so I just use the skin color just to make Rumi's jacket. And this is Gabi, and he's making a lot of process. Now time for Rumi's like short. I'm gonna do this royal blue color.
That's Mira's hair.
Pakita mo din yung color, tsaka kung saan mo kukoloran yung color niya. Ganun na gagawin, no?
This is my color I use for Mira's hair.
Yeah, this is it. And this color for Rumi's shirts.
There's no pink anymore. I use red.
Now let's color. Continue coloring. Okay.
Ate just aching.
What did you say?
Ate just aching.
So this is gonna be the color for, you know what it is. Yes, you're correct. It's for Rumi's hair. So let's color it now. I'm making a lot of pressure. It's my feet. Anything, guys. Oops, I made a little mess.
Big mess. Big messy.
How about? Guys, I'm still not done. Now let's make some highlight.
Sun.
This is gonna be the color for the like Rumi's color of highlight.
Blue ba yan?
This is blue, this is purple.
Bakit yun nasa likod? Sa likod mo.
Yan.
Ng bakat.
Hindi bakat. Very close.
This is gonna do color up, but that's Mira's.
Now we're done with this color. Next.
Mabasil, di ba?
So let's do this. This pinkish one for Romi's belt. This is gonna be for Rumi's make and Zoe's make. Yeah.
This is gonna do red again for mouth mirrors. That's okay. Baliktad!
So this is the progress, guys. This is Gavin's progress, and this is my progress, and it's kind of cool, guys. If you think this is my Zoe, that's not my Zoe. That's Gavin's Zoe. This is my Zoe. So, guys, if you want to get this Capability Hunters coloring book, just click this here. Click it there. This one. Look. Yeah. Click it there.
Tomorrow, wala kaming tomorrow.
So tomorrow, guys, I have school. We'll not be vlogging for like a couple of days, and we're gonna vlog on the next day at Saturday. Yeah, guys.
Saturday na doon, 28 na doon ako kay Lola Sean.
Oh.
Ng hapon.
Like Monday at March 30. Okay, Monday. There, I have no school on Monday because it's like it's a vacation time. So if you want to get this, click it here. Gavin, turo mo din. Yeah, this one is that one. Yeah. Okay, guys. I know that we already this is the first page. This is the second page that we're working on right now. So hold up, don't scroll, and don't. This is gonna be a relaxing watercolor. So let's start. Who has the most higher rating is gonna be the winner of this challenge. So let's see. Gavin, do you know who's gonna win this challenge?
Me.
Okay. I need gold. I know this is Zoe's one, and it's gold. We're gonna do this for Zoe's pants and this for her lineups. This color might.
Tapos na ako kay Ruby.
You're done with Mira?
Yeah.
Okay. You said Rumi instead of Mira, but okay.
Atay mo ko pagtapos ka na, di pa ako tapos.
I'll wait for you.
Hindi na ako maingay, ate.
Yeah. It's like in ASMR video.
Natulungan kasi ate. Kwento mo lang ate, oh.
I know.
Slowly. Pinaka-slow dapat mo.
Okay,
Slow
now
mo.
we're done with So, Gavin, pag pumalakpak ako isang beses, sabihin ko, pakita ko muna ito. So, this is the Zoe's powder like that.
Dear Palda, pants yan.
Yeah, this is Pops. But I also call it Palda in the Philippines. So, look at that.
Saan sila kaya nasa bansa na yan?
They're in South Korea.
And there's not Korea. Yonche is Korea.
So, guys, if you know Yonche is from Cathay. He loves Yonche. And again.
Medyo maingay lang ako, ate.
Yes, okay lang yan. Okay lang kahit maingay.
Ikaw.
Ako nga maingay.
So, sino mas maingay?
Tayo.
Ikaw.
Tayo. Ikaw ka ganina. Ako nga yun. I'm almost done, but Gavin is still not done, but it's okay, we're almost done. Let's go. Gavin, how about we make a timer?
No.
Fine. Timer on 30 minutes?
No.
Pakatagal ng 30 minutes? If ito, nakapunta na ng 60, ito, Gavin, itong nakita mo itong 21, diba? Pag yan nakaabot na ng 60, tapos ka na. Okay? Tagal pa yun. 60. Yeah, see? What if there's no more skin so I can use pens? For Zoe's skin.
I can use this for Rumi's jacket. This palda ni Miro.
Mm-hmm. Now I'm gonna use this dark gray for like Zoe's hair because we don't have color black. Exactly. No color black. It's out of ink. We do have two blacks. One light one and one the darkest one. And they're out of ink. Okay, now we're done. Okay. Now let's do for
Tignain ko
Zoe's
lang
top.
ate para kasi wala na eh.
Let's do on Zoe's top. I'm gonna do this color because it's the one that I just want to. I'm almost done. And done.
Di pa ako tapos.
No. I'm just gonna
Design. Di pa ako tapos.
Pakita ko lang. Okay. So this is Gavin's, this is mine, and I'm done. But guys, I know mine is too simple.
Ate,
So,
malapit. May timer pa yun. May timer pa tayo.
okay. So I'm gonna add some design. I hope you see us.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Akala ko kung sino iba yung boses, diba? Narinig mo? That's Daddy? That's Daddy? Daddy, tawagin mo nga Daddy.
Daddy? May timer kami.
Ayun o. I'm
Pag
adding
60 na yan, dapat tapos na.
Ay, hindi. Dapat 80.
80.
Ano?
80.
Yeah, matagal pa yun. Sobrang tagal pa nun.
Sobrang tagal pa nun.
Lang.
And we can add some design.
Ayoko ng designs.
You wanted just simple. Simple dimple. Oh, it's gonna go down in flames. Then you tell me when it's over. Okay, wait. The guy is ready to say.
I'm almost done.
Same. Ow!
Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry naman.
It's okay. This one for more and more. Guys, this is not black. This is like the darkest green we have. If you want proof, I can't show you. I can't show you. I want on the heart. This is like the color of the girls. Purple and red. I still need purple and red.
$26 ata yung timer natin. 26.
We do have a timer up above us. This one. This one. This is a timer. Yeah. I put the timer on the tablet. So that would be cool if I were you.
But this is 80 is gone. Yeah. Got it?
I'm gonna do these two reds. This is like maroon and this is real red. So let's first start off with the red one. Sorry guys, there was nothing. Kiss. Okay, let's also add designs on Mira's shoes. Because Mira's shoes are too simple. Too simple. Like, a little too simple. Because I'm not making... Okay.
I'm done.
Okay guys.
Hindi pa pala.
Gavin, it's almost 80. Okay guys. Are you done?
Hindi pa. Pwede ko na.
Okay, looks like he's done.
I'm done.
We will show you our like drawings in 3, 2, 1. But first, like and subscribe so you can see our color. Wait, we still have to write our name on it. Let's write our name on it. But okay.
What's your name? What's your name? Gusto ko red.
Okay. Okay. My name is Dan, guys. I have a secret, but my name is Ate because I'm a sister. And 3.
Bakit ka na pala nito?
3, 2, 1. This is mine, and this is my name, guys.
This is my name, guys.
This is Gavin's color and this is my color. I know Gavin is too simple. Okay, guys, this is my whole color. I know, guys, it has their name as the group and some shiny, but this is Gavin's and it's just simple and it's just so cute. So let's move on to the next one, and the challenge is
Pinakalas na natin yung, sabi nila, pinakalas na daw natin yung drawing na yun.
no, we still have so many things to cover.
Mag-30 na. Malapit mag-80.
Guys, first, okay, this is my coloring, and we should color it our feet. Gusto nating kulay. Pati buhok nila, pati mga ano nila, ganun. Mga suot nila. Kahit anong gusto mong kulay, Kahit yung mga damit nila, like mga ganyan. Okay. Let's do this one. Mine is kinda hard.
Sa akin, tignan mo, para ma-easy lang. Ma-easy lang siya. Di ko na-color kahit ano.
Bawal lang yung parehas nilang kulay. Bawal.
Bakit?
Eh, kailangan ng kulay. Mas mapangit, bala ka.
Oo na lang nga. Iba na lang yung drawing ko kaya.
Sige. Okay. I want like Rumi's hair. I know it's purple, but it's gonna be super light purple right now. For like Mira's hair. Super light purple. And it matches her. Or, really? Gawin ko lang pang gusto ko pakita yung color. I want this purple on Rumi. It fits her. Cannot say that this hair can fit Rumi. And
It's 90.
Don't see me twice. Iba yung kulay ng book nila. Ayaw na.
Sorry.
It's okay, T. It's okay. It's just your accident. I want pink for like Zoe's hair because it fits Zoe. Yep.
Anong kulay kay Mira yung gusto kong hair niya?
Her hair is already red.
Kasi gusto ko yung bagay sa ngayon eh.
Give me that color. Pero, saglit. I want this color for this. Kabasasik.
Okay na ba?
Di pa. Matagal pa ako.
Kailangan ko pa yan eh.
Kabasasik. Cause I'll tell you the sweet.
Dalawa dapat yung kailangan ko sa inyo eh. Na kulay.
Sandali. Gabasid in the mean girls.
Okay na ba?
Yep. Thank you very much. This is gonna be like a little goldish color. I don't know. Okay. Ba't nakatayo? Ayaw mo po. We're just doing random colors.
Kasi kalala ko sa nila is dalawang color lang eh.
Wait, really?
Kay Zoe, pink tapos red. Kay Mira, purple tapos peach. Mira pala, orange tapos orange.
Tsaka top ni Rumi, ibahin mo ah.
Kulay ibang purple. Yung shoes niya, lalagay ko na lang. Nasaan yung maroon? Di ko yung pangalan.
I thought you were really, really, really finding it. But it's not. I want this color.
Dangalat.
This color.
Ay, wala ka lalat yung pencil.
Why?
Kasi pwede pa gamitin yung peach doon eh.
Huwag na yun. Huwag na lang kaya koloran natin, guys. Sorry, we don't have peach. So, if pinakita namin yung kulay namin, wala nga silang skin color kasi wala na kaming peach. So, please. Please, you guys know. Understand
Ate,
it.
maroon na lang yung buhok ni Mira.
Yeah. Well, that was quick.
Ganda ba pag maroon yung buhok ni Mira?
Yep. So beautiful.
Joke lang, wala yun. Hindi ko nalaman.
I'm gonna use this turquoise because we're gonna like reveal our drawings in the end of the video.
Blue kay Mira, tapos kulay red.
Okay.
Hindi pala. Purple tapos blue. Kay Rumi naman, teal tapos
Dark blue?
Hindi, teal tapos
Turquoise?
teal tapos
Pink?
hindi, wait lang ha. Alam ko na.
Ano? Orange?
Hindi.
Ano?
Brown.
Okay.
Last color for Mira.
Wait na, Gavi. Na-try mo na ba itong kulay? Ang ganda.
Nakulay ko na.
Wait, really? I think I'm almost done. Look at the outfits. Pag malapit na ako matapos kay Rumi, tsaka kay Mira, ba't kay Zoe? At kay Mira, hindi pa masyado tapos yung kay Mira.
Kay Rumi masyado matapos, diba? Yung mouth ni Rumi, the sweet.
It's so beautiful. This one. Gawin na lang ng mga ganito. Di masyadong mapangit yung akin. Pangit ng akin, pangit ng mga kulay.
Tignan mo yung akin.
Beautiful. Oh,
Naka-video kayo?
yeah. This is Nami.
Mami, saan ka pupunta?
Wala, di naalis eh. Yung ano eh, iba na. Di naalis. Ba't nakalak yan?
Kasi nandiyan si Mikey.
I love Mira's skirt, but I won't show it to you guys. Gavin, don't show your jewelry. Okay. Wait, I also need blue for Zoe. It's perfect. It matches Zoe's personality. Excuse me, your hand. Wait, I kinda really love these colors. I love the color, Gavin. Gavin, I'm not lying. Look,
Sabi mo daw
isn't
sa,
it beautiful?
sabi mo sa may napapanood nito, mapangit pag magka-parehas ng damit nila.
Yeah, guys, mapangit parehas yung damit nila. It's too ugly.
Kaya, it's just too ugly.
I'm done. Hindi pa pala.
Hindi. Ako kay Rumi pa.
You guys. Hindi pa pala ako
Ako kay Rumi, ano lang siya. Gusto ko yung itong purple nandito, ate. Nandito ang purple. Nandito si Mikey!
Look. Sorry guys, that was like a little disturbing to us, but okay, done.
Di ba ako
I'm still not done.
Bakit? Bakit kayo hindi ba ka tapos? Almost done.
Same. Actually, I'm not almost done. Tagal pa ako.
Ilang ano na to, number na to?
43.
Anong number na to, matatapos ka?
Ewan ko sa'yo. You're thinking, alam mo na ako anong oras ako dapat.
Kala ko 100.
Gavin, no. Huwag 100. Please. Tingnan mo, almost done. Okay.
I'm done.
But you're done already?
I've got mine.
Huwag mo nang pakita sa akin.
Tignan mo yung akin.
Yeah, cool. Sana mas maganda. Guys, I'm sorry. It's taking me so long. Still not me, guys.
Ang hina na ito ni Mira, oh. David, magbilang ka ng 20. 1, 2,
Slow lang.
3,
Slow lang.
1, 2.
Actually, mabilis.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lagay natin yung names natin. Name natin.
I'm just gonna put my real name on it. Then writing my name. Okay, guys.
Ano sakit?
Hinulog mo eh. Ayun. Galing. Hindi, joke lang. Okay. Saan muna natin pakita? Sa'yo yung akin.
Sa akin.
Sige. Guys, I will show you Gavin's first in 3, 2, I mean, just guys, please like and subscribe first before we show you the drawing. In 3, 2, 1. This is Gavin's drawing with our feet.
Sakit.
Where is Rumi's top, Rumi's shorts? He's still not done. Just wait here. He's still not done. Just wait here. I mean, I'm still not done too. Still not done. You should be the perfect. Are done? Okay guys, we're sorry, we're still not done.
Uy, mali ka. Bakit? Wait lang ha. Diba ka tapos?
Okay guys, I'm done. Dami.
Diba tapos?
Bagal. Ay, yung shoes pa, hindi mo pa nakukoloran, okay? I don't need even shoes. That doesn't matter. Done?
Alam ko pa. Okay na.
Not yet.
Mami, ate.
Okay. So, yun muna papakita. Tapos natin. Yeah, okay. Just like and subscribe if you want to see Gavin's drawing in 3, 2, 1. This is Gavin's drawing. I know it's kind of a bit of incomplete, but wait until you see mine. Gavin, ikaw magpakita mo sa akin. Sabihin mo, like and subscribe first.
I can subscribe first.
Before you see my drawing.
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, show it. Yep, guys, this is mine, and I really, really love the colors, but we don't have a skin because there's no more peach, so this is my name, Gisandra, and this is his name, Gavin. And I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Ate, kay Mikey, ha?
Nakalak yung pinto, paano yung papasok?
Balik mo na to. Baka punta si mami magalit eh.
Diyan mo na. So, that's it. Gavin, punitin na lang kaya natin yung gusto natin dito, tsaka koloran natin, ganun. Okay. Okay, hanap na. Ako muna maghahanap ko anong gusto ko. Alam mo na kung ano gusto mo?
Ito.
O, sige. Let's tear it up. May mira pa sa likod mo. Okay? Ay, okay. Okay ka lang.
Alam yan, ate.
I don't even like it.
Hindi ka mo na yung zo. Color namin kung anong sign niya, ate.
Sige. Akin to. There's a good thing, right? Ayusin natin.
Ate, color natin kung anong nasa niya. Ha?
Hindi. Kung anong gusto mo ulit kulay. Sorry. Okay. This is the first one that I'm doing. Ipapakita mo muna. Pakita mo na kung anong koloran mo. Dalawa.
This is my color and Zoe's hair. I don't.
Ito ba?
This is mine.
Ito yung likod.
This is. Oh my God, si Mario, dipulit natin.
Tama na. So this is mine.
It's kind of cute.
And this is the back. And it
How
looks
cute.
so cute. So I'll start off with this first, but it's not the colors of. Let's start. Gawin ko na lang kaya natin lahat ng colors na kailangan natin.
Yuhu. Bakit? Ha?
Lahat na lang So today, first we're gonna start off with Mira because she's on the top. So let's do it on my style. Let's go. I want Mira with her maroon hair, and her heart will be this color, and the background will be gold, and her t-shirt will be this little greenish color, and these are the colors that I'm gonna use. So let's get right into it. First, let's start off with the background, and I mean this color. This color for like this text message. So let's start.
Lumabas na ata sila, mamu.
Hindi pa yung lalabas. Hanggang hindi tayo lumabas, hindi sila lalabas.
Walang lumabas lang tayo.
Okay.
Bakit may narinig akong lumabas?
Wag mo lang. So for the background, it's gonna be awesome.
Ate, meron ako nakakaiyak na dreams doon sa may gabi.
Umiyak ka. Ako din.
Ako din.
Scary dreams. Noon, huwag mo na kaya natin kwento, ma'am. Mamaya na lang kaya natin siya. Katapos ang video. Guys, alam ko mahaba tong video, kaso may enjoy nyo din tong video na to. Bawal mo na natin pakita. And then for Mira hair. It's here gonna be like that.
Gaya-gaya yung buhok ni Mira.
Lago yun. Gusto ko lang yun. You don't know what that means? That means he is so good at drawing. That's what I mean.
Tigyan mo ko lumabas na ba sila.
Look at the mirror. Look at the guys. This is not what I'm coloring. This. Look at the mirror. She is so cute, right?
Okay lang yan.
Pati ikaw, tigil. Yep.
Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, pag
Gaya-gaya ka naman din ang buhok ng Zoe ko, ah. Yun lang, ah.
gusto ko pink yung buhok niya, bagay sa niya. Cute kasi siya eh.
Okay.
Di ba bagay sa niya?
I'm done with Mira now.
Ate, ano yung mas nagusto mo? Ma-cute or maganda?
Parehas.
Isa lang, di ba mas gusto mo yung maganda?
Maganda tsaka ma-cute.
Si Lolo yung mas magusto niya maganda.
Rumi.
Time for Miras. Sabi ko time for Miras. Alam ko yung bows niya, kulay purple, di ba? Tignan mo kung lumabas na ba sila ni Mikey.
These are the colors that I will be using, but you don't know who I'm gonna put it on. Yeah.
Ate, may sasabaw sa'yo. Tignan mo kung
Let's put the colors in.
Ate,
Yeah.
ako eh.
Mika.
Saan ako eh?
Dun sa labas. Yes, ihila mo. Okay guys, Gavin's just lost for a little while and this is his story. Don't tell them guys that tinakita ko sa kanya. Ay, ito. Tsaka ito yung kulay na ginagamit niya dito sa mga lineup nito. So, please guys, huwag niyo sabihin.
Si Mikey yung wala na.
Ay lang. Nandun sa kay Lola.
Shucks. Huwag mo pakita sa kanila. Diyan ka na kay Mira? Tapos ka na kay Zoe. Okay. She's done with Zoe.
Tayo kay Lola.
Ayaw. Guys, later, mamaya wala kami, so... Gavin, mag-video ka na lang mag-color dito mag-isa, guys. Okay?
Bakit?
Mag-color ka mag-isa dito.
Yung mag-color mag-isa.
Bakit? Gusto mo kasama ako? Para mag-video.
Para maganda, may kasama ako. Pag mag-isa ako sasabihin nila, nasaan yung kasama mo? Si G. Sandra.
Take it
Kaya
slow.
pag wala ka, hindi ako magbibideo.
Gavin said was true. Totoo naman talaga yung sinabi niya. Just how I like it.
Ang liit naman ang ears ni Mira, oh.
Yeah. Dito malaki. Oh.
Doon maliit, dito malaki. Ano yun?
Ready to God, stay. Okay guys, papakita ko dito. Huwag mo muna pakita yung drawing mo. Papakita ko lang unti.
Bilis naman.
Unti lang, di ba? Pakita mo din unti sa'yo. Okay na. Papakita ko.
Nalipat mo naman sa Zoe ko.
Ay, pinakita ko lang kasi sa Zoe mo eh.
Guys, don't blame us. Maingay.
Just like that.
Huwag maingay yung gawin mo. Zoe ka na.
Lastly is Rumi.
Kasi, bike mo lang si Rumi. Sabihin mo lang.
Wala lang, gusto ko lang.
Kasi siya yung pinakamatanda.
Ano ba? Okay. Di ba nga hindi ko nagamit dito ay? Yung dalawa lang yun.
Ano pa nagagamit yung dalawa na yan?
Nagamit ka. Hindi pa ko pala.
Malapit ako matapos sa buhok ni Mira.
How just like that.
Maganda kay Mira pag... Di ba po?
Just like I could.
Ano yun? Hindi pala.
Boosh. Upside down yung kokoloran ko.
Kay roommate na lang teal tapos brown, 'di ba? 'Di ba, ate?
Sorry, that was my niece.
Nagjo-joke lang si mami noon aalis siya. Nakita ko.
It's love. Now just like it. Papakita ko later guys ang color ko. Tapos na lahat.
Umalis na si Mikey, wala na dito. Nilak mo ba? Wala na si Mikey nga eh.
Bakit ko? Dalawa na pala yung nawawala sa'yo.
Ano?
Dalawa na yung nawawala. Hindi. Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Nalapas. Lima. Anim. Ito.
Ano to, ate? Ano tong awa ko? Gamit ko lang. Na mali. Iba, kahit saan mo na lang nilalagay yung marker ko.
Hindi ko naman kasi alam kung saan nakalagay. Dapat pakita mo na yung tapos mo na color, ha? Pakita mo na yung Zoe. Yung tapos ka na.
This is mine.
Not her, Zoe. Mine is...
I not color the skin is no more peach.
Yeah. Look at mine. It's so cute. Even Zoe's. Look at that.
And this is Mira's. Pakita, hindi pa ako tapos eh. This is...
Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry.
Ano nangyari?
Natamaan ko mata niya.
Sakit?
Sorry.
Saan?
Sa dalawa.
Natamaan ko siya eh.
Tama na, tapusin mo na yan. Tapusin mo na yan.
Di pa kita ko lang to yung color niya eh.
Huwag kayong mag-away, ha?
Pangilan na natin tong drawing.
Pang 100.
Pang-apat.
Alam mo din pala, ba't ka pa nagtatanong?
Sasabi ko kung alam mo. Marco, galit pa eh. Marco, galit pa sa akin, ate. Galit ka ba?
Mukhang galit ba ako?
Eh, bakit malakas yung boses mo eh? Malakas na boses mo, ate.
Ganun talaga yung boses ko. Tumataas na boses mo eh. Nagagalit ka ba? Sakit ng heels nila.
Nakita kayo ka ng kanin? Sug ka pa?
Nabutas.
Daan-daan lang kasi. I have a color idea.
Ano?
Hindi ko kasali. Lang. Maisip ko lang eh.
Ate. Nanibo.
Ate, nun.
Nani papabiyak ni mami ng dress.
Palda.
Ng dress into press. Naka-girl ako, hindi ko ni papakita kay mami. Nibigyan kita ng 35, di ba? Nung nibigyan ka lang doon ng lahat ng tao sa dress into press ng star. Sino yung kilala mo sa lahat ng tao na sabi mo?
Tao.
Na isa.
Aling isa.
Doon sa may dress into press. Nakasama ako doon ah.
Ano pangalan?
Yung iba.
Hindi ko nga alam kung anong sinasabi mo. Ayaw mo kasi sabihin yung username.
May sasabihin ako sa'yo.
May sasabihin ako sa'yo.
Parang yung mga girl doon sa may dress into press, yung players.
Hindi ko alam.
Yung parang, yung kilala mo lang doon sa may players.
Hindi ko naman nakita yung mga players eh.
Play mo mamaya.
Hindi mo mani ah. Sorry. Piplay ko na mamaya. Sinasabi ko na baka makalimutan ako eh. OA? Masyadong OA? Yakin.
Mami.
Sorry na. I mean si Mikey iyakin din. Lahat na lang. Kala mo siya. Palda ni Zoe. Great. Yep. Good choice. I mean, hindi good choice.
Mag-away na naman kayo. Ay ka na?
Di ko naman alam yung mga players na sinasabi niya sa Dress to Impress eh.
Hindi niya alam eh. Bakit huwag mo na ipili? Huwag na kayo mag-away.
Ba?
Kung hindi alam, di hindi.
Hindi mo alam yung mga tao na. Please, wag block. Pili ko na kayo block.
Gawin.
No block. Yung mga tao.
Mga tao daw, ate, intindihin mo.
Hindi mo alam yung tao.
Huwag kang umiyak. Ano nakakaiyak dun?
Aling mga tao.
Ha?
Ba't umiyak? Bakit ate mo?
Anong ginagawa?
Nabibidyo ka, umiyak ka? Nakita sa video yung umiyak mo?
Baka inantok ka. Nandiyan na yung mami mo. Nandiyan na yung mama mo. ate. Yan, mama mo.
Wait lang.
Tapusin niyo na yan. Kakain ka na ba, Gavin?
Hindi po.
Tingnan mo ito ba?
Ano ba mga players na sinasabi mo?
Yung mga tao nagpe-play.
Yung mga YouTubers?
Yung mga tao nagpe-play nga.
Hindi ko na halos maintindihan
Yung mga tao. Yung mga tao.
Oo, tao. Ikaw, tao. Oh.